So what makes GrayMatter Robotics different from a standard system integrator? Most integrators set up a robot, hand over the manual, and walk away. When something breaks, expect hefty fees for even the smallest fixes. But the real question is, what happens after the robot's installed? At GrayMatter Robotics, we do things differently. We handle the setup, training, and quarterly maintenance checks at no extra charge. Traditional systems need rigid setups and fixed positions. Even slight changes in part shape or placement can throw them off. But our AI-powered robots can adapt to any part, of any size, at any angle, handling variability that standard integrators simply can't. And when something goes wrong, GMR Care gives you 24/7 support from real engineers who actually know your system. Because the real value of automation isn't just getting a robot, it's that we actually care.